Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn English for Beginners. In this lesson you will learn a few greetings in English. Throughout the video we will be working on this pattern. The English word will appear in red, whereas the translation will follow in blue. So let's begin. Lesson 1. Birinchi dars. Today's topic: greetings. Greetings. Salomlashish. Please repeat after me and follow my pronunciation. Ortimdan takrorlang. Hello. Hello. Salom. Hi. Hi. Salom. Kimdir sizga hello deb murojaat etsa, siz hi deb javob bering. Hello John. Hi Peter. Good morning. Good morning. Xayrli tong. Ertalabki paytlar ko'rgan insonlarga nisbatan good morning deb murojaat etishingiz sizni yana ham xushmuomala ko'rsatadi. Good morning. Enjoy your breakfast. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Xayrli kun. Good afternoon. What would you like to order? Good evening. Good evening. Xayrli kech. For example, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good night. Good night. Xayrli tun. For example, good night, my son. Bye. Bye. Xayr. See you. See you. Ko'rishguncha. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Ertaga ko'rishguncha. See you on Monday. See you on Monday. Dushanba kuni ko'rishguncha. See you soon. See you soon. Tez orada ko'rishguncha. See you later. See you later. Keyinroq ko'rishguncha. See you again. See you again. Yana ko'rishguncha. Now we will be summarizing all the greetings and all the forms that we have learned in this video. I will be reading out all the greetings we have done. Please repeat them after me. So here we go. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Bye. See you. See you tomorrow. See you on Monday. See you soon. See you later. See you again. Thanks. Rahmat. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more, subscribe to my channel.